Welcome to the virtual tour of number 25 Olivine Road in Keilor East. This property is located in the Valley Lake Estate, and just opposite is a park with playground equipment. As we go into the property, you are met with an open plan living area. With a gas log fire. And a huge kitchen. There is a balcony on this level. Double sink, double oven, and a butler's pantry. Also in this middle level is a downstairs study that's just located off the living area, as well as a powder room and also the downstairs laundry. And the laundry has a small courtyard with a clothesline. The lower level has a huge double garage. The property also has a vacuum made system. And extra storage under the stairs. As we go up the timber staircase with glass balustrades, we are met with all the upstairs living area that has a small entertaining space or kids' TV area. An additional balcony that overlooks Valley Lake. This is the master bedroom, really high ceilings, split system unit. And as we walk through, there is a walk-in robe with plenty of cupboards and shelving, and then the powder room with a large shower. This is the upstairs main bathroom with beautiful decorative lighting, a space on the wall to hang a TV, a freestanding bath and double basin and huge double shower. The second and third bedrooms upstairs. Both very similar with walk-in robes. Split system units. This bedroom has access to the balcony. And the views of Valley Lake. And another walk-in robe.